Hey everyone. Today we're diving into an important topic that's affecting all of us right now. The stock market just had its worst day since 2020. If you're feeling anxious about your investments or the economy, you're not alone. But today I want to break this down for you in a simple way. We're going to discuss what happened, why it matters, and what you can do about it. Just yesterday, the Dow Jones dropped by more than 1,600 points, and the NASDAQ fell almost 6%. This is a significant downturn, and it sparked a lot of chatter about potential recession concerns and the Federal Reserve's next moves. Morgan Stanley recently indicated they believe the Federal Reserve won't cut interest rates at all in 2025 due to fears of rising inflation, especially related to tariffs. When asked about these tariffs, current President Trump mentioned they're rolling out well, but he also acknowledged that markets are expected to drop before they rebound. He believes that soon after these downturns, the economy will bounce back and foreign countries will seek to negotiate with the U.S. Now let's address what many of you are probably thinking. Should I sell my stocks? Here's the thing. When the stock market goes on sale, most people run away in panic instead of taking the opportunity to buy. Imagine if your favorite store had a big sale. Everyone rushes in to snag those deals. The stock market is no different. We've all heard the saying, buy low, sell high. But when prices drop, fear drives most people away from investment opportunities. It's crucial to remember that, while downturns are alarming, they are part and parcel of the economic cycle. Since the early 1900s, we've experienced 16 recessions, averaging more than one per decade. Yes, downturns are tough, but they happen, and they're often followed by periods of recovery. As long-term investors, we must focus on finding solid investment opportunities. What does being a long-term investor mean? It means planning for years, not just months. It means having a clear strategy and understanding your goals. No one knows what tomorrow or next year holds. We could see recessions or booms. The Federal Reserve, which manages our monetary policy, is in a tricky position. They usually cut interest rates to stimulate the economy, but recently, they may need to raise them due to inflation concerns driven by tariffs. In fact, Jerome Powell, the chairperson of the Federal Reserve, stated that inflation from tariffs might be temporary, but has placed them in uncertainty about their next move. Now, what's the connection between tariffs and inflation? Tariffs are essentially taxes on imported goods. If businesses have to pay more to bring products into the U.S., those costs eventually get passed on to the consumer in the form of higher prices. This adds to inflation, which has been an ongoing issue. Between 2019 and 2024, reported inflation rates were around 23%, while median household incomes grew by approximately 20%. This gap means that the average worker may not have seen their wages keep pace with rising costs. Consequently, it's typically investors who capitalize during these volatile times. This brings us to a critical point: financial education. Those who understand how to manage their investments often succeed while others struggle. Understanding finance isn't just about making more money. It's about gaining financial freedom. Right now, it's essential to keep calm during these market swings. Instead of panicking, look for opportunities. Economically savvy investors know that downturns create chances to buy good stocks at lower prices. In fact, when the market dropped in 2022 and during the 2020 pandemic, many successful investors scooped up stocks while others panicked. So, what should you do in these uncertain times? First, remove emotion from your financial decisions. Stick to your investment strategy. Make sure you have money to invest and know your goals. While it's easy to get lost in the chaos of news, understand that recessions and market crashes are part of our economic landscape. Each time the market has fallen, it has also recovered. Historically, those who invested smartly during downturns have seen significant growth over time. Remember, it's not all about money, but being financially healthy plays a crucial role in our lives. Whether you're a truck driver or a doctor, understanding financial literacy is key to caring for yourself and your family. If you're looking for more information, I recommend signing up for my free financial newsletter, Market Briefs. It breaks down the latest happenings in finance into easily digestible content. Plus, you'll gain access to a free investing masterclass when you sign up. The link is in the description below. Let's wrap things up. Stay informed, plan long-term, and don't let fear dictate your financial decisions. You're capable of navigating through these challenging times. Thank you for watching.